Pascal, on the EROWA stand, EMO 2019. Now, we've seen a lot of automation at the event so far, but this seems a little bit different. And is this a collaboration between you and Kuka?
Yeah, actually it is. We have a cooperation with Kuka together. And here we are able to present the Kuka AGV and the Kuka robot, which we integrate in our system. And what we really do is we make the software, the host system, that we really can get the right jobs done by the AGV and by the robot itself.
And when you look at the type of customers that you've already got and potential new customers, where does this sort of fit in?
This sorts fit in on existing customer which have automation and a machine, and then they see, okay, I need to have more tooling or want to connect their automated cells together, that the workers in the night shift, they don't have to fill in the tools. That's where it fits in.
But if I'm running a machine tool shop and I'm looking to actually buy a machine for the future, would I not actually buy a bigger tool changer, for instance?
That would be clear. You want to buy a bigger tool changer, but this is costs money, and somehow the most customers, they have already existing machines on it, and it's really expensive to increase the tool changer. And this would be a really option that you don't have to invest in another tool changer.
Many engineers will know EROWA, but with this system, have you developed the software behind it then?
Yeah, actually, really, we developed the software of the host system. We are really able to control now on the show here with our host system. We get the jobs done on the right AGV.
So I presume that you not only you could use this from a tooling application, but you could also move billets around as well.
Yeah, of course, we could move our pallets or some parts we could move with the AGV itself. And it doesn't have to be always with a robot on top of it. We could produce something different, yeah.
And do you think this is going to be popular? Is it, let's say, a game changer for EROWA?
I will think that's really the future. You see, the past was that we have one machine, one robot, and then we had several machines with one robot, and now with the AGV we connect all these robots together, that it's really on the complete shop floor, which is connected with an automation.
And do you have any customers that are actually using this or testing the system?
We have some very interest on special customers in airspace and in the electronic industries too. That's the reason why we developed and made the cooperation with Kuka together.
So really, this system is for companies that are making a lot of product, maybe want to have lights out engineering to a certain extent. This is the future.
I think this is really the future. If you have a huge shop, what you want to handle, and with the less employees that we have in the shop itself, this is the reason why we developed.